Alia Bhatt's performance in Ghar More Pardesiya from Kalank has received a special mention from the Academy. The Academy stated, Alia Bhatt's portrayal in Ghar More Pardesiya is a beautiful blend of classical dance and powerful storytelling. Fans are ecstatic, flooding social media with praise. One tweet read, "So proud of Alia Bhatt." Alia spent countless hours rehearsing, guided by choreographer Saroj Khan, perfecting every move. Alia shared, Ghar More Pardesiya was challenging yet rewarding. The recognition from the Academy is an honor. The song's grandeur, with stunning sets and costumes, adds to its magic. From Student of the Year to Raazi and Gully Boy, Alia continues to shine in Bollywood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time with more exciting news.